Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film myself doing these marble ombre looks that I originally saw on V Nailed It, her YouTube page, and none of these pictures that you were seeing, are not mine. I got them from Pinterest just to show you guys an example. My picture is at the very end. But anyway, so I don't prep my nails, but if you were doing this on yourself or a client, you do want to do all your prep. But just for the purpose of recording this video, I didn't do any of that, and also because I was lazy and I don't plan on wearing any nails for like maybe another week. But anyway, so there is no colored extend gel that Apres has out yet. They are releasing it sometime in early October from what I heard. But I decided to use my Luminary gel in Faith in place of extend gel. And I apply a layer on my nail. I cure that. I don't use my in this video I don't use my full curing lamp. I just use my little mini 2-watt lamp that I have that clips onto my table. So I use that, and then for the marble look I will be using Madame Glam's Caribbean Sea and Beetles gel polish in 282 from like their neon collection. So yeah, this is my first time ever trying it this way. I've tried to attempt to do it in other ways on GelX because I don't do acrylics, and it just wasn't working for me. So this worked for me. I do have to work out the kinks a little, and you'll see me mess up and whatever in this video. But so yeah, I do use my little ombre brush. You'll see me pull it out throughout this video. So yeah, what you want to do is just use the Luminary gel like you would the extend gel, and just put it on your nail. And obviously, like I said, with the prep, when you're prepping your own nails, you also want to do your regular prep like you do with your extensions, like etching the inside, all that, filing, all that good stuff. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't just cure it and then add more of the Luminary gel and then do the ombre, but I didn't cure it. I just held it down and did that the whole time. And I'm looking at this now and I'm like, why didn't I just do that? So yeah, you see, like, it didn't it wasn't coming out how I wanted it to. And you see I play around with it a lot, just experimenting, and you're watching me make my mistakes, so maybe you will learn from my mistakes in this video and you'll perfect it and you'll do like way better than I did. So yeah, I was like really looking everywhere on YouTube to see if anybody had done this, like not this particular method, but was able to like achieve that marble ombre look, and I hadn't found anything. So I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna record it, and if I think it comes out good or okay, I'm gonna post it, and maybe somebody else will just do better than me. But anyway, so yeah, after I cured that, I put another like dollop, is that what you would say? Anyway, I put some more of that on there, and I just kept checking it. And I'm sorry that you'll see me kind of go out of frame in the video a lot, but I was using my ombre brush to try and ombre it up, and then you'll see eventually I don't know why it looked good right here on video, but in person it didn't. Sorry, but you will see that all that attempting to ombre, making it go up, I end up just pushing it all down after doing all that work. And so yeah, I just tap lightly I was trying to make it not so opaque. I wanted it a little bit sheer, like an ombre look. And yeah, just messing with it. Just play around with it. If you guys are gonna try this out, just really play around with it. Practice on yourself first, I would say, before you do it on anybody else, just so that way you can perfect it to how you like it, and then you'll be ready to do it on other people. My brother's girlfriend wanted her nails to look like the ones that V Nailed It did, and I was like, let me practice first. This was like a few months ago. I was like, let me practice first, and I'll let you know if I can do it. So like, I was trying to do it with bloom gel and like an ombre brush. Like, I was just trying to do it in ways that I was kind of looking up online. Like, just, I don't know. It just wasn't working out for me, and I was like, I'm sorry, I can't do it. And I felt bad because like she really wanted that, and I couldn't do it for her, but she ended up just wanting something else that I could do. And now I know that I can do it. So yeah, I do clean off my brush a little bit with some acetone, so that way I can make the gel spread a little bit better. This Luminary gel is almost like the same consistency as Extend Gel. I have seen that people use Luminary gel in place of Extend Gel, just and they say it works just fine. Their sets have lasted up to like 4 or 5 weeks. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, you're seeing that I wiped it down. All that stuff that I did, I kind of pushed it down, and then like I was like lightly trying to move just a little bit of it up, to give it the ombre-ish look. So yeah, I wanted to make this video, show my mistakes, show you guys how I did this, if it came out good, which it did. I mean, it came out okay. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it, but I think I know why now. I'm just gonna try this again, and maybe next time it'll come out the way that I really want it. So I originally wasn't gonna use blooming gel, well, Apres drop gel, but I wasn't gonna use it. But then I thought, whatever, I'll just use it. So yeah, I use my little plate right here, my little art palette thing, and I just put a drop of the Madame Glam gel and a drop of the Beatles gel, and then I use a liner brush and a dotting tool. I should have grabbed the longer liner brush, but I didn't. I used a little one. And so I do a thin layer of blooming gel underneath the nail. You will see right here. So I do it underneath the nail, and even that thin layer I think was like too much, because you'll see later on that I do end up wiping some of the blue off. I mean, you'll see why, but so yeah, I just go in with the gel polish and kind of attempt to make these little lines going across, because then after that I'm gonna go in with my dotting tool and do like the little swirls, try to make it a marble. And I do flip my nail over to see how it's coming out on the other side, which I probably should have just used the what is that? Oh my god, my mind is going blank. The other brush the liner brush, I should have probably used that for marble instead of the dotting tool, but whatever. Learning from my mistakes. Like I said, you guys will see this and probably perfect it to how whatever works for you, and that is great. That's the whole purpose of this video. So yeah, I do, after I do this, I do go in with my ombre brush to kind of drag the blue down a little bit. So yeah, but before I did that, you saw that I used a different brush, a flat brush. I dipped it in some acetone to wipe off the blue. I just felt like it was too blue right there, and I didn't really like that. So yeah, I got my ombre brush and I was trying to ombre it a little bit down to make it, a little light, a little ombre-ish. And then I did get a tiny bit of the Luminary gel, and I put it on the side of the nail, and then with my ombre brush, I just kind of like mixed it in with the blue. I didn't cure the blue at all, by the way. I just wanted to perfect it and make it like so it blended a little bit. And then after I do that, I do go in and cure it. And then once you've cured it, you do your full cure, which, like I said, I'm not using my big lamp. I'm just using my little one just because this is a tutorial. It's just for, research purposes or whatever. Yeah, you do that, and then you file the top of your nail, remove the shine, which honestly, I don't even know why I did that in this video. You'll see that I did it, but I did it anyway, whatever. And go in with your top coat on the top and underneath your nail, and file it to make it crisp, and then you are done. I went ahead of everything in the video with all my talking, but any questions you guys have, you can comment or message me on my Instagram at fluttergirlnails. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. I think this was actually pretty easy, to be honest. Like I said, I just got to work a few things out, and I think it'll be good. But honestly, I think it was easy. Easy for me. Maybe you guys will find a different way, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me talk. That's all I do. And also, I like my brain. I don't know what else to say. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram. Yeah. So thank you. Bye.